Okay guys, this is a Mindy Lock that I bought online from eBay. World class Zcon. That's the keyway. Italy patent. Heavy padlock. The technology of Taiwan, the trust of the whole world. Suppress 5 stars glory, anti-theft lock. I doubt that. Hard steel lock. Okay, no idea how to tension this. Not got a clue. Not much on the internet that I could find about it, but let's give this a go. Okay, that's what the key looks like. Zcon 4 keys. Shiny. And hefty. It says hardened. Seems nicely protected. The drainage hole for water. Mindy. Okay, this is a kind of spring-loaded keyway. Let's see what we've got down here. Okay, there's a retaining screw for the bottom. Dust automatic lock, patent USA. From Taiwan? Okay. Okay. So it's not key retaining. And key goes in either way. Lock and pull. There. I think that might be our way in, because at the moment I haven't got a clue how to do that. There is a cutout there. Okay, let's see if we can shim this with something. I haven't got a shim that would go that far down. Bypass this. So I'll take a Secure Pro 15,000's standard hook and see if we can wedge that down there, because that's quite a gap down there. Knocking the camera. There's a gap there, isn't there? Yeah, there's a gap there. I'm going to force this. There we go. And we're in. A Mindy Lock Bypassed. Let's try that again. Needs a bit of force to push that down there. Yeah, there we go. Huh. The technology of Taiwan, the trust of the whole world. Anti-theft lock. I don't think so. Okay, happy picking. Good luck.